Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question states the left-handed form of DNA is called aDNA, cDNA, bDNA और zDNA. हमें question में पूछा है about the forms of DNA. We know that at least 6 conformation types of DNA have been introduced, that are A, B, C, D, E and Z. However, according to Wolfe, 1993, only 3 types of DNA are found in nature. What are the 3 types? It is the A, B and Z conformation of DNA. How are these 3 different from each other? So, in B form, we see that there is presence major groove is present. In A form, it is also presence of major groove. However, in case of the Z form, we see the major groove is absent. And the base pair. In case of B form, we see that the base pair is 0.5 between 2, whereas in case of A, it is 11 and in case of Z, it is 12. However, the major difference is the helical sense of helix. In case of B, it is the right-handed. A is again right-handed, whereas the Z is the left. It is left-handed helical structure that is seen of DNA. Now, B form is the most commonly, B is the most commonly found in living. So, we can say that in the question we are asked the left-handed form of DNA is, so the answer will be zDNA, because in case of Z conformation of DNA, we see that the helical sense is left, whereas the other two, that is the B and A, it shows right-handed form. So the answer will be option D, that is zDNA. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.